I want to get back into editing mode for this activity. So I'm going to go back into my science project and go back into build. And let's take a look at how easy it is to build an interactive video. I'm going to press add new resource. I am met again with my different categories. Interactive video is housed in multimedia. And I know Abby already mentioned this, but I hope you do see that for each activity type, we do provide a demo version of that activity. So here I can see an interactive video that has already been built out. Remember, the circles at the bottom are all of our interactions. But I'm also provided a tutorial video walking me through step by step how to build. So I'm going to click on my interactive video. I'm going to upload a thumbnail. I'm going to write out that this is my phases of mitosis interactive video and provide the subject and educational level. Again, don't forget to always go into full screen mode. So now, anywhere I see this red asterisk, I need to fill it out. So this is my phases of mitosis interactive video. In order to add a video, I press this plus sign here, and I'm able to add in an MP4 file. So if I have taken a video of myself teaching a lesson, I could add it in here, or I can go to YouTube and find a video link there. So I already pulled a video that I want to add in from YouTube. I'm going to copy that link, paste that link here, press insert. And another great feature is that you can provide a home screen for your students. So right here where it says interactive video, I'm going to click down and I see that I can now provide a title. So this is my phases of mitosis interactive video. And I can also provide a short description for my students. So I'm going to tell them, please answer the questions as they appear. So I'm going to collapse that back up and let's go into the magic part. Step 2, adding our interactions. Up at the top, we can see the many different interactions that we can add into our videos. We can provide labels, text, tables, links, images, and then our more interactive features start here. We could provide statements. This is when you provide summary statements and the students click the most correct one that summarizes the content. We have single choice set, which is a multiple choice question with one answer. We have multiple choice questions, which does provide a lot more customization. You can actually add in additional media. So you could add in another video. You could add in images as well. And you can also provide questions where they select all that apply. We have true or false questions, fill in the blanks like we just saw, drag and drop like the ones we saw in the column layout, mark the words, drag text, crossroads, which allows you to send your students to different points of the video, and navigation hotspot. Now, I'm going to add in a drag text. And actually, I need to pick my spot in my video first of where I want to put that. So I'm going to put it at 5 minutes and 12 seconds. Let's make sure I don't have any volume going for y'all. So at 5 minutes and 12 seconds, they're talking about prophase. I'm going to add in some questions about prophase. So I'm going to click that I want to add in a drag text. And here you can see all the customization options for you as the author. I can decide how long I want it to be displayed. Do I want the video to pause? Do I want this displayed as a button or poster? I usually choose a poster for this. I'm going to give it a title. So this is my prophase drag text. And then here I see the task description. I'm provided with a task description that is already formulated for me to drag the words into the correct boxes. And I'm going to keep that the same, but I am going to center it, going to make it bold and provide a larger font. So heading 2 does provide a larger font for me. And then I scroll down and see my important instructions for this activity. So it tells me that my droppable words are added with an asterisk in front or behind the correct word or phrase. I can also add textual tips with the colon, For every empty spot, there can only be one correct word. And then I can also provide feedback. Now I am going to go back to that worksheet and steal some questions from the worksheet I already know and like. So the first question I'm going to steal is this: what is a phase of the chromatin condenses? So I've copied it and pasted it again. And this time I'm going to put my draggable feature in front. So I know the answer to this is prophase. Let's go drag one more question, question 21. Again, just highlight the question that you want to grab. Press copy. So I am pressing Control Copy, Control C. I'm putting that on my next line because I want to give it some space. In fact, I might even give it a little bit more space. And then I want to provide the answer in front. So the next answer is centromere. And I have put around my asterisks on my answers. I'm not providing a textual tip, but I've done everything I need to do. And I'm scrolling down. Here's again where I could provide that feedback. And always try to look at your behavioral settings because they change per each activity type. So again, I can enable retry. I can enable a show solution button. And here's where that instant feedback feature is. I'm not going to click on it this time. Now, adaptivity is another great thing within our interactive videos. So you can provide an action if your students get it correct. You can provide an action if your students get it wrong. What we mean by actions: if your students get it wrong, you could send them to another point in the video. You could provide a message or a label for them to seek to another spot of the video. So I have finished out this one interaction. Since it is a poster, I like to drag it across the whole screen so my students have to fill it out and are forced to look at it. And I'm going to press Proceed to save. When scrolling down, I then press Finish. And let's look at what this finished product looks like. Here I have my mitosis video. I see my interactions down at the bottom. And let's see what it looks like as a student. Drag the words into the correct boxes. Here are my two answers. I'm going to drag them in. Notice I'm not receiving immediate feedback like I did on my column layout version. Now I have to check my answers, and I am provided that I got 2 out of 2 correct, which again, this data will be housed in your learning management system. I press continue and continue throughout my video.